Let's see how to put iPad screen protector without bubbles. In the first step, wipe the screen with a soft microfiber cloth. Now, use a dust removal sticker to clear tiny particles. Now, keep hands dry and free from dirt. In the next step, take off the protective sheet from the screen guard. Now hold the edges carefully to prevent smudges. Now line it up precisely with the iPad display. In the next step, softly lay the protector onto the screen. Then let it settle smoothly without extra force. Next, double-check alignment before pressing down. In the next step, glide a card or squeegee to remove air bubbles. Now push from the center outward in a steady motion. Later, apply gentle but firm strokes across the surface. In the next step, inspect for leftover bubbles or dust specks. Later, lift an edge slightly to clear out trapped particles. Then press down well to lock the protector in place. You are good to go.